So this is a demo for Ballotbox. I'm going to turn off the Wi-Fi. So right now I have no access to Wi-Fi. This is what the canvassers or the field reps are going to see on their side. We're going to go to Human Rights Foundation test. And it's going to bring us to this page, and we're going to put in our name, last name, email. We're going to add a telephone number, and I get to choose whether I want to volunteer and if I want to become a benefactor. Okay. All right. So I can also put in any kind of notes. So when I click on here, it says that there's no network, that the entry has been saved locally. This is what the canvassers will see on their phone or iPad. I'm going to turn on the Wi-Fi again, and you'll see the time here. It's 11:48. And you'll get a text message right about this time, because when I put in your phone number, it will send you an automatic welcome text message that should be welcoming you to the Human Rights Foundation. So let me wait for the Wi-Fi to reconnect. Okay, so the Wi-Fi is up, and I go here, and you'll see the data is going to have been uploaded without any problems into the form that I uploaded it to. And let's wait. I'm going to go to Human Rights Foundation. And yep, see Alicia Gary. And you can also see a timestamp that it was 11:48. And here you can filter the date that you want to see. So for instance, if you want to see it from this day to this day, you can filter it and see how many people signed up. And then, as I showed you before, you can quickly export your data into whatever CRM tool you're using. This is for Salesforce and this is for Gmail, and you can just go ahead and export that into a Google Contacts, so you don't have to transcribe anything into a listserv. So basically, yeah, this is, let me open the data. This is the data here that you can upload into a Google Contacts, and it will upload immediately. So here is where you manage the teams and where you manage your collaborators. I have nobody in the organization because this is just a test, and you can see the productivity of each member here. So let me show you the forms, because we actually did a lot of it here. So this is the form that we just used. So here you'll see the text message that you got. Thank you so much for signing up, Alicia. We really value your support. Here's a link to an event we're hosting near you next week. So you should see that you can see the name here. You can customize any kind of welcome text. You can put a link for a paywall so they can donate, or you can put a link to an event that you're hosting, or you can put a link just to your website. So you can customize it to fit whatever you want to put in there. And the value of this is that it allows you to confirm the phone numbers automatically. So when you can send them a text, and they'll get it, and then you can follow up with your new members immediately when you meet them on the field. So you don't have to wait a week to follow up with them. You can just do it immediately and activate them like that. So that's really cool. The other thing is that we're working on a solution to validate phone numbers immediately. We can look at the phone carrier database to see if that's the phone number. Here, let's see, you can also add pictures. So like if you want to upload a business card, you can do that. Actually, we're working on a business card scanner, so you can just put an image here. What I'm clicking on right here, you can put an image. You can design the service however you want. I know that there's a lot of human rights organizations that are utilizing field research tools to see what's going on, to document or to monitor human rights abuses or crises that are happening. Right now we're working with Doctors Without Borders, and we're trying to get them to use a tool for their surveys on public health that they conduct in a lot of countries. And obviously, you can also add branding. As you saw, the Human Rights Foundation had a logo in the back. Let me go. So, this is kind of how you can edit and create whatever kind of forms you want. So this is the system that I showed you before. We're going to go to the administrator page, and it will show you a very detailed and quick snapshot of how you can manage your teams. So you can create teams here, and you can put whatever. You can put, Human Rights Foundation Asia, Human Rights Foundation Boston, Human Rights Foundation Civil Rights Campaign, whatever you want. And you can also set up teams here. You can put how many team members you want, how many collaborators, and here you can, manage the productivity of your volunteers, and your team members. So this gives you a very quick snapshot. You can also see how many of your members are signing up people. So here I can go to all the teams, and obviously it's just Sebastian and I, but there would be more people, obviously. So basically, the core values of this whole system is that it allows you very, very quickly to upload data into a CRM system. So you don't have to waste time transcribing or managing data, and you can upload this data automatically from the field no matter where you are. It works completely offline, as I showed you, and so that's the first value. The second one is that it increases the accuracy of your data. You're never going to lose context anymore, because if something goes wrong, the transcription process will automatically know that, and the data can be uploaded from wherever. And the data that's being uploaded, so our tool increases the data accuracy because of the automatic validation. The third value is that it allows you to follow up with your members immediately with the automatic text message that I showed you, and it also allows you to validate phone numbers. And the fourth value is that it allows you to manage the productivity of your teams. So that's really cool. Actually, I forgot to show you something. It's the map function. Let me go there. All right, give me 1 second. Sorry, it's taking a while. Okay. So here you can see where the data is being uploaded. So we're going to go to the map, and you can see it's a location-based interface that will show you where your team members are and where the data is being collected. You can also see how the data is divided by type of question. So if I want to see all the people that are clicking, do you want to volunteer? I just go to see the people that click yes, or if I want to see where I got the most volunteers from, I can absolutely do that. So this allows you to be able to know what events are happening and in what locations you're targeting the most active people. So for instance, if you want to become a donating member, I want to see here, I can just see the ones that clicked yes. I want to become, also if you have a numeric input, so let's say that you're inputting whatever the amount of donation is that they're willing to give you, you could also see a detailed analytics of the pricing of those numbers, and the map would tell you like the average for different locations and so on. So yeah, those are the 4 values that it gives you, and it saves time and money, and it increases the accuracy of your data. It allows you to follow up with your new members immediately with a text message and email that we're putting in, and it also allows you to enhance the productivity of your workers because you get to track them and you get to see the interface in a map. So yeah, that's the Ballotbox tool, and I hope you liked it.